Hello everyone in Cyberworld, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
Last week we showed you part 1 of our metal model making project, and it ran long. So we're going to show you part 2 this week. It ran much longer than we expected, so let's go ahead and take a look.
You know, this is one of the fun parts. It's nothing real difficult, but to think that I'm going to be taking these 3 pieces, I'm going to shape them, pound them with heavy metal on an iron, and make them into body armor. Actually, it's just a matter of finding the right curves that's needed, and it'll be kind of an armor that would go over the shoulder and take the shape of the chest area. Let's see how we do this. I know I've said that I would normally pinch these down and bend these down in opposite directions. I'm going to bend these down in the same direction so that this doesn't overhang on the side. And then, although if I pull this out, it will now slip out. The thing is, these pins here will actually be locked in place, so it'll prevent the whole plate from slipping. So I don't need to do those in opposite directions. The lock here will prevent this from sliding down. And that's the beginning of it. And there you have the body armor with the emblems in the front instead of on the inside. No! There you go. Now, the only problem is, this is only one. I gotta make one more. So we're closing in on the finish line, and one of the last things that we're gonna have to build is a box that this whole armor is going to sit on. And if you take a look, these are 4 of the pieces. Beyond that, all the other pieces are done. Yay! right, let's get this finished. And now for the very last piece, all we have left is this tiny little bow there. And it too is empty. So this bow goes right on the belt area there.
So as you can see, this is something that was a project that I enjoy doing. I know I've done a video of this in the past, but like we'd mentioned last week, it was something we wanted to do and show full instructions and give more details and not just kind of skim through it real fast and say, this is what you start with, this is what you end with. And this was all based off of the Instagram and Facebook comments and questions that I had received. We didn't get Mrs. Poorman involved in this one, but next week we will bring her back.
Yes.
We have run into issues while building and adding things onto the house, and it has to do with drilling into the studs. And the stud finder that we have seems to give us some false readings on more than one occasion. So I went out and bought something that I heard about, researched a bit, and have wanted for a while. And so we're going to test it out and do a little review on that. So until then,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.